Welcome back, Crypto Nation. In this video, we're going to talk about stablecoins and how the stablecoin market is developing in 2024. Let's dive right in. You've probably heard of volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to minimize price volatility. Unlike your dodgy coins, which can swing wildly in value, the price of stablecoins is kept steady by being pegged to follow the price of relatively stable world currencies or even store of value assets like gold. Now imagine you're using cryptocurrency for daily transactions. You wouldn't want your morning coffee to cost $3 one day and $30 the next day, right? And you don't want to be the guy that buys 2 pizzas using 10,000 Bitcoins. Stablecoins solve these problems by aiming to keep a constant real-world value. They also help traders to protect their wealth during extended bear markets and to protect profits while day trading. So, how exactly are stablecoins kept stable? Fiat collateralized stablecoins are backed by a reserve of fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro. Now, for every stablecoin issued, there's an equivalent amount of fiat currency held in reserve. Think of it like a digital IOU. Tether USDT was one of the first fiat collateralized stablecoins in the space and is probably still the most widely used, benefiting from the many trading pairs and large volumes available on centralized crypto exchanges. But USDT is facing some stiff competition from USD Coin, which has received a legal green light from US regulators and is fast becoming the favorite of some big crypto-friendly institutions like BlackRock. Now, there are also crypto collateralized stablecoins on the market which are backed by other cryptocurrencies. They're often over-collateralized to account for the potential volatility of cryptocurrencies. Now, perhaps the most popular example of a crypto-collateralized coin is DAI, which uses smart contracts and crypto loaning mechanisms to ensure that an adequate supply of collateral is kept in the MakerDAO vaults before the DAI coins can be issued. And finally, there are algorithmic stablecoins that aren't backed by any collateral, but instead have novel ways of using algorithms to control the supply of the stablecoin, increasing or decreasing it as needed. Purely algorithmic stablecoins are considered by many to be inherently more risky though, as demonstrated by the collapse of the Terra UST stablecoin in 2022. As you might expect, governments and regulators are paying close attention to stablecoins. In the US, the SEC and other regulatory bodies are working on frameworks to ensure transparency and security for holders of most stablecoins, while most governments are also in the late stages of research and deployment of their own central bank digital currencies. But back in the decentralized world, one more exciting development is the linking of stablecoins across different blockchains. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are working on interoperability solutions, allowing stablecoins to move seamlessly between different ecosystems. This development should work in favor of decentralized stablecoins, as complete freedom of movement and deployment through the growing Web3 ecosystem would make them a much more attractive prospect than tightly controlled government-issued cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are already a vital part of the ecosystem, but seeing how they develop and influence the future of crypto is going to be truly fascinating. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more great crypto videos from Exodus.